If you can't work or lose wages because of your work-related injury, you may be entitled to receive weekly payments. For any period that you want to claim weekly payments, you will need a valid certificate of capacity. Your first certificate can be for a maximum of 14 days and needs to be issued by a medical doctor. After that, each certificate can cover up to 28 days and can be issued by a doctor, physiotherapist, chiropractor or osteopath who is treating you. For your certificate to be valid, it will need your diagnosis, work capacity status and the issue date completed, and include the details of the person who issued it. You will also need to complete the declaration about whether you've been working at all since your last certificate. Your employer will pay you in line with your normal pay cycle. In order to be paid, you'll need to make sure you send your employer your valid certificate of capacity. Weekly payments are based on a percentage of your assessed pre-injury average weekly earnings, or PIAWI, and take into account any earnings you may be receiving if you have returned to work. These are known as current weekly earnings. If you can't work because of your injury, you'll receive weekly payments of 95% of your PIAWI for the first 13 weeks. If you are still off work after 13 weeks, your weekly payments will reduce to 80% of your PIAWI. When you return to work, your case manager will be able to explain how your weekly payments will be calculated. Some workplaces, awards and enterprise agreements provide additional benefits for employees receiving compensation payments. Make-up pay is an example. Check with your employer to see if this applies to you.